Hey guys, so here is my take on Rougaille saucices. I'm serving it with some sides, sautéed green beans, red lentils daube, cucumber salad, and tomatoes chutney. First, let's get the rice going. I like using jasmine or basmati rice. Wash the rice until water runs clear. Peel, then cut ginger and garlic in small pieces. Add some salt. Sear the sausages in a pan to get some nice coloring. You can use a glass bottle to help you crush the garlic, ginger, and salt into a paste. My grandma and mom used to do it like this. It's also very satisfying. Use knife again to make sure the paste is as thin as possible. Cut chillin into two, avoiding the end. Grab the tomatoes and dice them in very small pieces. I like to cut the onion thinly. I reserve a quarter of the thinly sliced onions and out it into a bowl with cold water. Take both ends of green beans off. Slice the green beans lengthwise as thin as you can. Peel and cut cucumber, discard the core. Fluff the rice using a fork. Be delicate, not like me. Wash and cut flat parsley and coriander leaves. Once cooled down a bit, cut saucices into slices. They should be almost cooked. Wash the red lentils until water runs clear. Gather everything and clean your work area. Now let's get cooking. Sauté the garlic or ginger paste, thyme, a third of the onions and 1 chili in a pan. When onions becomes translucent, add a half of the tomatoes. Cook on low heat and covered. Add some water if needed. In another pan, sauté green beans, garlic, ginger paste, and some onions until tender. Sauté red lentils, garlic paste, turmeric, thyme, and onions. Add water and let cook on medium heat. Add sliced saucices and stir. Here you can adjust the seasoning by adding some salt and sauce by adding water. Once it has cooked a bit on low heat, add some parsley and coriander leaves and stir. Don't forget to take it off the heat. I came across this absolutely adorable plate today. I placed some rice using a small bowl to measure. After that, I added some red lentils, the daube sauce, rougaille, green beans, cucumber salad, and also tomato chutney. I love how simple each dish is and how it all blends together, making me feel cozy. Enjoy your meal.